Alright guys, let me welcome you and show you a quick lunch recipe for some Asian dish. I have some pre-ready veggies, which are also with a nice spice. What more? We have some special rice noodles here, and that doesn't need cooking. It just needs a bit of water, boiling water. We have a bit of chicken, fresh chicken breast, and then let me welcome you. And obviously we're cooking today, so this is gonna be a quick lunch, and I could use a wok. And now for some frying pan, I have a small wok, which is gonna be used together with rice oil. So I think we can begin, and I will show it to you guys quickly how to do it. It's a real nice and easy recipe. The lunch will be ready. Kids love it within a very quick time. All right. So, oh, by the way, I'm not sure if you checked. This is the shirt that I have on. John is the true king. You probably know which series I'm referring to. So let's begin without further ado. So always nice to have some inspiration for the food, and you can see some spices in here. We're gonna have some veggies, a lot of veggies today, and a very beautiful look outside the window. Okay, so I think we can begin right now. We have the whole setup here. Okay, first of all, cut it into not too small pieces. I think we've struck a bone. Either rectangles or squares, whatever you prefer, but again, not too tiny. Oh, if you don't like chicken, you can alternate with other meat. Pork, beef, turkey, or others. Oh, there's some more bones here. Alright, the meat is done. Next thing is the veggies. Alright, we need some oil. And for that purpose, I'm gonna use rice oil, which works pretty well in the wok. Alright, so rice oil, which works pretty well in a wok. Alright, as you can see, the gas is on. And now for the veggies. These are the spices which are included. Well, you guys can add your own veggie mixture, but this is quick and easy. If you want to have a lunch ready in 15 minutes, that's the way to go. Right, let's check it out. This is nicely done. All right. Now, time to move to the next bit. This is almost ready. What I will do now is transfer the veggies to the container next door. Why? Because I love to prepare the meat, which is gonna be golden brown. Okay. If you cook it in the wok, the veggies would be too burnt. So I prefer to do it separately and then mix all the ingredients together. So we put everything back, including the sauce, so you don't lose the flavor. All right. So we need some more. We need some more oil. And now it's gonna be for the meat. All right, before I put in the meat, I need to give it some spice. I usually use gyros, so kebab gyro spice. Okay, over the meat. And now ready to transfer it into the wok. And obviously stir fry it. So we want to make the meat golden brown before we mix the ingredients. And at the end it will be the noodles. I'm gonna boil the water for noodles now. And let this cook golden brown. If you want to make a nice caramelized sauce, you can still add a bit of honey, which is gonna make this nice layer of golden brown. Alright, let's check it out. As you guys can see, the meat is getting golden brown. And I managed to already pour boiling water over the noodles. So this is the noodles. They should be in for about 3 to 5 minutes in this boiling water. Let's close the thing up. This is the veggies, and this is the meat waiting for its golden brown color while being stir fried. Almost there, and then we'll put the veggies inside. Alright guys, the meat is golden brown as we wanted. Now time to add the veggies, which are here. Alright, so here are the veggies. And let's add them in. Now mix it all together with the meat sauce. It looks wonderful and smells extremely good. Okay, so the last bit for this quick 15-minute dish will be the noodles. So here's the noodles, which are nice and clear, and they are rice noodles. Okay, so we can put them in and add it onto the wok. Mix it all well, let it stir for a bit, and then we're gonna serve it nicely with this wonderful spicy sauce. Okay. I don't want to cut it up because it's nice when it's long, okay? Long noodles. They are really tasty. Getting the flavor in. Obviously, some people can put an egg into it. I don't need to. I'm gonna use some spices from the window to decorate them. Okay, I have some mint. I have some basil. Obviously they are fresh potted herbs, so let's use them, and let me show you the serving suggestion. Alright guys, this is the serving suggestion. As you can see, pretty cool, and I need to call obviously the kids. They love such meals.